Welcome to Ask Auto Trader, where we answer your burning questions. In studio with me today, Martin Pretorius.
Hello, Lawrence.
Martin, we received another question from one of our viewers. This one asking, can you retrofit brake assist to an old car?
Well, the short answer is you can't. But to understand why, you have to understand what brake assist does and how it works. It monitors the accelerator position, how quickly you take your foot off the accelerator, as well as how quickly you put your foot on the brakes. So to do this, it has to interface with both the engine control unit as well as the brake system. If it doesn't have this functionality built in, the only way to do this is to transplant the entire brake system as well as the entire engine control unit from another car with this fitted, and then you can have brake assist in your car. So the short answer is no.
It's not worth the time and effort.
Not at all.
Thanks, Martin. All right, well, there you have the answer, folks. If you would like to submit a question of your own, you can go to autotrader.co.za, click on the Ask Auto Trader icon, and send us your question. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to all of our channels, and we'll catch you on the next one.